the melody of this group song. Now I call upon Ma'am Principal, Dr. Mrs. Simi Tandon, to read out the annual report. Ma'am Principal.
Thank you, Ma'am Balraj. Honorable Chief Guest, Air Commander Harjeet Singh Arora, Air Officer Commanding, Air Force Station Adampur, Mrs. Arora, the patrons of the school, Shrimati and Shrimas Ramji Tandon, Chairman Dr. Saramohan Tandon, worthy members of the School Management Committee, Chief Advisor of the school, Shri T. Lal Nirman, eminent teachers of the school, distinguished guests and dear students. A warm good afternoon and hearty welcome to the 10th annual prize distribution function of MR International School. I, on behalf of the school, congratulate not only all those present here, but also the public of Adampur area for the 10th year celebration of MR International School. Now, let me present the annual report of the school. Far-sighted and clear vision of the school management, coupled with dedicated efforts of the staff and cooperation of the parents of the students, has led to logarithmic growth of MR International School during the last 10 years. I feel elated to announce that today the school has 1200 students with 50 teachers to take care of them. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to share with you all that since first batch passed out class 10 in April 2006, our school has been showing excellent results of class 10 and 12, both qualitatively and quantitatively. Let me tell you, many alumni of our school are pursuing various professional courses including MBBS, BDS, BTech, BCA, BSc Nursing from prestigious institutes of North India. Apart from infusing academics in the minds of students, the school is always concerned about their all-round growth. And to meet this objective, the school not only organizes extracurricular activities and sports activities in its premises, but also motivates students to participate in such activities being held at other places as well. As in previous years, this year also, the school has organized many inter-house contests like English and Hindi calligraphy, drawing and painting, declamation, seminar on global warming, etc., and the winners were awarded certificates and prizes. Inter-house group song competition was held on 20th August, wherein Patel House emerged the winner. The school celebrated with fervor the Independence Day. On this occasion, students from nursery to class 5 presented an enthralling spectrum of patriotic items. 3 gold medals were bagged by our students in science competition organized by Science Olympiad Foundation. The school is very much sensitive and receptive to the extracurricular activities planned by CBSE. 3 of our students participated in the Indian Heritage Quiz Contest organized at APJ School, Jalandhar under the banner of CBSE. During Anti-Corruption Week, students from classes 9 to 12 wrote impressive essays on the topic Importance of Education and Eradication of Corruption. These have been dispatched to the CBSE. Educating the students on the importance of health and diseases is very important. We organized a seminar enlightening the students on dengue fever, circulatory and nervous systems. It is said that there is a lot of difference in theory and practice. In order to narrow down this difference, the students were taken to villages for the survey of Panchayati Raj. When global sports festival like Commonwealth Games is around, how can the school lag behind? Our students and teachers prepared beautiful colored banners and charts to create enthusiasm amongst them. 21st October brought laurels to the school. This day, our students participated in group song competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad Jalandhar. Ours was the only school from this area to participate in this event. Bagged second prize carrying rupees 500 in cash with silver medal. I feel elated to tell you that our tabla player Master Charanjit Singh from class 4 was highly appreciated by the judges who awarded him a separate prize of rupees 500. Students of MR International School have been consistent in securing